I think I found the problem of the squeaky sound. Look at this. When I pull left and right, so I guess when the car is moving, this thing is creating a lot of noisy sound. Can you see that? I guess this is a sound, but this is the sound I heard. Very irritating sound. So when your car vibrates, creating this type of sound.